Quarantine can be a very challenging time with so much uncertainty. Fear and anxiety can have a huge impact, especially during lockdown. But experiencing lockdown can also be a great opportunity. How do you want to use your time? There are many skills that you can choose to learn or ways to develop during this time. But how about learning a skill that can allow you to make money from anywhere, without needing a boss, without needing a team, or even any huge initial financial investment to get started? Hi everybody, I'm Emily from the channel Mindfully Trading, and if you're new to my channel, I share my journey as I grow and develop as a trader. I started off trading the stock market and now I trade the foreign exchange market, and I share my journey on my YouTube channel as well as other tips. And just recently I've had quite a few requests from different subscribers who really want to learn more about trading, and not just about my journey trading but about trading itself. And it just got me thinking that, combined with the lockdown and the quarantines that we've been experiencing lately, and I just felt like now is definitely a great time to learn something like trading. So over the next few weeks I'm going to be sharing a lot more videos on my channel designed for complete beginners, taking you through the basics of how to make money trading. Now these videos are totally free, and all you need is an open mind and a willingness to learn. A willingness to learn something that has the potential to really bring you a lot of return on your initial investment of time. I'm also aiming to keep these videos short and sweet so that you get bite-sized chunks of information, because trading is quite a complex subject, so I think having the information given to you in smaller chunks is probably going to be easier to digest. If you like the sound of that, then hit that like button and subscribe below so that you can receive the latest notifications for the videos as they come out. And we're going to start off with the basics, so we're going to start off exploring what is trading, what is the stock market, what is foreign exchange market, options, futures, etc. And we're going to go through these basics, through different technical analysis, and ultimately fill a lot of gaps that you may have with trading. I'm super excited and I hope that you're going to enjoy the journey with me. Until then, I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.